In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play 2 players on Black Ops 6 Zombies PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily set up a split screen session for Black Ops 6 Zombies, so just like the other games, this will work for Black Ops 6. All that you need is an additional controller, so I'm going to teach you how to set it up and connect it when you make a new session. From the home screen, go into the Zombies mode, so instead of choosing Campaign or Multiplayer, access Zombies, and by default, you will be alone in the party. If you read right underneath the party, you should see this message: add a controller or keyboard and mouse for split screen. I'm going to be focusing on setting this up with a controller, but as you can clearly tell, a keyboard and mouse should also work. Now connect your additional controller. This will be done by powering it on with the PlayStation button, and it should connect. If it doesn't, you can try a different combination, like pressing the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously, or even using a cable if you prefer. Simply find a way to connect the additional controller to your console. The first time that you do this, you will be prompted to choose who is using that controller. So by default, you will have your PlayStation Network account or user attached to the first controller, and if you want to ensure that this process works, you need to assign a user account to the additional controller. If you have no other users created, you will need to choose Add User, and it's recommended to create a new PlayStation Network profile. You can try using it as a guest, although I wouldn't recommend it. If you create a PlayStation Network profile, it is always going to be available. So even though it is annoying, it is the main way to ensure that this works. After you have the user account, when you go back inside of the game, the message will have changed. You will now see this: player 2, press this button to join split screen. In this case, it is going to be the X button for PlayStation. So all that you have to do now is press the respective button on the secondary controller, and immediately upon doing this, both of you will now be in the party together. You can now browse through all of the modes related to zombies, queue up, you can enable or disable squad fill if you want other random people to join you, and you can share the same screen to play zombies in BO6. It's a very easy process, so I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.